All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the read aloud for the ecosystems assessment today. So please make sure that if you need to rewind or pause the video at any point, you do so. We'll go ahead and start it off with question number 1 on your paper. And don't forget to put your name on your paper and to put your name on your bubble sheet where your answers will go. Okay, now let's start with number 1. Number 1 reads, what is the primary difference between biotic and abiotic factors in an ecosystem? A. Biotic factors are only plants, while abiotic factors are animals. B. Biotic factors are living organisms, while abiotic factors are non-living components. C. Biotic factors are microscopic, while abiotic factors are visible. And letter D, biotic factors are in the soil, while abiotic factors are in the air. Question number 2. Which of the following is not an abiotic factor? A. Sticks. B. Temperature. C. Water. D. Sunlight. Number 3. What is the correct order of ecosystem organization from smallest to largest? A. Organism, population, community, habitat, ecosystem. B. Organism, niche, habitat, population, community, ecosystem. C. Population, organism, habitat, community, ecosystem. D. Habitat, organism, population, community, ecosystem. Number 4. Which type of biotic factor uses energy from the sun to create its own food? A. Decomposers. B. Consumers. C. Producers. Or D. Scavengers. Question number 5. What is the primary function of decomposers in an ecosystem? A. They create their own food using sunlight. B. They break down organic material. C. They eat only plants. Or D. They consume other animals. Question number 6. In a food chain, what happens to energy as it moves from one level to the next? A. Energy increases at each level. B. Energy stays the same. C. Energy is lost at each level. D. Energy is doubled at each level. Question number 7. Which layer of soil contains the most nutrients for plants? A. The subsoil. B. The bedrock. C. The parent rock. Or D. The topsoil. Number 8. What is humus? A type of rock formation. B. Decaying organic material found in soil. C. A layer of minerals. Or D. A type of water filtration. Question number 9. How does soil help maintain ecosystems' health? A. By preventing all water absorption. B. By blocking sunlight from reaching plants. C. By filtering pollutants and managing waste. Or D. By increasing water pollution. Question number 10. Which natural event can cause organisms to migrate to find new water sources? A. A drought. B. Flooding. C. Earthquakes. D. Tsunamis. Question 11. What is the primary purpose of photosynthesis? A. To produce carbon dioxide. B. To create energy from food. C. To make sugar and oxygen. Or D. To absorb water. Question number 12. Why do plants need sunlight for photosynthesis? A. To grow tall. B. To capture energy for making food. C. To attract animals. D. To produce carbon dioxide. Question 13. What role do autotrophs play in an ecosystem? A. They consume other organisms for energy. B. They hunt for prey. C. They break down dead matter. Or D. They produce their own food and support other life forms. Question number 14. Which of the following is an example of a heterotroph? A. Grass. B. Algae. C. A cow. D. Sunflower. Excuse me. Question 15. In a food web, what do trophic levels represent? A. The size of the organism. B. The energy flow through the ecosystem. C. The age of organisms. D. The number of species in an area. Question 16. What is the main function of scavengers in an ecosystem? A. To produce food. B. To hunt live prey. C. To clean up dead matter. Or D. To compete for resources. Question number 17. How do decomposers benefit plants? A. They provide sunlight. B. They recycle nutrients back into the soil. C. They create oxygen. D. They attract herbivores. Question 18. What is the relationship between predators and prey? A. Predators help prey grow. B. Predators eat prey, helping control populations. C. Prey protect predators from danger. D. Predators and prey do not interact. Question number 19. What is the difference between a food chain and a food web? A food chain is more complex than a food web. B. A food chain includes decomposers. C. A food web is only about plants. D. A food chain shows one path of energy flow, while a food web shows many. Question 20. Why is energy lost as it moves up the trophic levels? A. Because organisms use energy for growth and movement. B. Because energy is created at each level. C. Because energy is always stored. D. Because energy is not needed by higher levels. All right, there's one more page to look at. This page requires that you study the food web. And it looks like we have land plants and tiny water plants. We have insects, diving beetles, water fleas. We have a newt, small fish, frogs, slugs, fox, heron, and perch. The questions that you must answer depend on what you see in the food web. Number 21. What eats the water fleas? Question 22. Name an autotroph. (23) How much energy do the insects get when they feed on plants? 24. Name a secondary consumer. That'll do it for this test. Make sure you write all your answers here. And again, don't forget to put your name on your bubble sheet and on your test paper. Hope y'all have a great one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.